them of them. And you literally carry a girl come fucking on my bed. And think more to find out. What me I do back with you? I strictly disrespect that I do me, you know. That beat everything in life, you know. Kind of your bed. I have money, carry hotel, but you carry a hotel. But you carry a girl in my bed. So what me I do with you? Me no want you. Me no want you. But at the end of the day, me no want them walk on you. I am a baby father, and the youth them look up to you, and certain things, me know them go say Shanta, go say daddy, and Barbara go say daddy. And when you have it can be a man, and turn up to the youth them side and mind them. Or why you can help your youth them. So I sit down and I talk to Drakes. Like say, me I talk to anybody at all. I'm say to Drakes, I say, Drakes, hey, what you do? Oh my God, yeah, them asking about the money and the things them. I don't want you, make me I want you. I don't want you, make me I want you. I want people have experience with people. I don't want you, make me talk to you. I don't want you. Me have bad experience with people. Me know Chevy them from long time. Them a thief, Chevy a thief like that and scam everything in a one. A long time she about. A long time Chevy them about, a long time. And so she do the things them, she deactivate her page. When Chevy do the things them, Chevy ever have more than one Instagram page. Chevy a girl deactivate her page. A long time I know about Chevy them. She deactivate, sell it. She used to come by Instagram when she walk and terrorize for the people that go and chat things and getting the followers. As the page reach 10K per Instagram, she sell it. Start over back with a new page. A long time I know Chevy them, a long time I on the media. You don't understand the media, you don't understand the people them. When I look, Jakes I walk a friend the wall and me in them and in a bag of chatting. And when I really talk about that. Because me don't say my back and belly rat. So I'm not talk about that. What I'm talking about, the money where you thief, the money where you have, you send go gear. I'm warn you. Me warn you. After media and the media. Me warn Drakes after media. Because me I'm look at this and I say, Drakes, come here. I know why I'm warn you, you know. We are doing stinking Chevy them. As someone said to him, I know when me I want somebody, when me I talk to you, me I talk to your skirt. Mr. Jakes, we are doing thinking Chevy them. But walk and teeth and suckle and do the things them. Chevy them come like leptospirosis. Them a rat. A rat alone get leptospirosis all about for you. We are doing rotten world Chevy them. Nana belly bottom, nana choke back, nana moral, nana memory. Nah, zero girl. If you want somebody upon the neck, Jakes, take a gift. Any gift over here, will say I like you. Have things I will say I like you. And when they in a match, them must come support you. Them will there with you and take care of you. I see that over here many a times. Whatever want ugly, mugly or ugly. I've seen that over here many a times. Now for the boy them over here, gift them there with. When you feel like something now go on the app for them, allow you not tell. In a real life, things are going for them. Because them and them gift are there and them gift are not live. So if you don't see them on the ranking board, things are going for them. Them and them gift are there. But Mr. Drake take a gifter. What can help you? She'll say I like you, help you. Shoot for you in a match, I help you. We are do the rotten mouth Chevy them. You cross me. And make me know so I'm jealous over I'm English. Yeah. She's jealous because you look one up. You look one up. I can't find her. I'm going to make somebody add her. Try to add somebody and tell them to add me. Try to add somebody and tell somebody to add me. You look one up. I'm going to tell you. You can't tell me, say, you can't. Drake says no way. You keep on look at me and tell me, say, you're not send Chevy no money like me, I idiot. You keep on look at me and tell me, say, you're not send her no money. You keep, I told you, Drake's lie. I want to have the proof, I'm going to know. Him keep on tell me, say, I'm not do it. You send her your money, bro. You send her the money. You must send her money. I check her short the money. I'm lucky. Just don't call my blood clot name because I don't want you about thinking Chevy. Me want you about Chevy. Me want you about tar. And when me I want about tar, you keep on tell people, but me not show no blood clot proof. Me not show no proof. And she a cash you out. Me not ask no question. Me not ask you no, me not show no proof. I tell you no something. Me not have no time to come on social media come sit down and prove nothing to nobody. Me not have to show no proof. I tell you say, and she a cash you out. I'm gonna tell you all ugly grass bite boy say. I'm gonna tell you all ugly grass bite boy say a crowd Chevy them a look. Me tell you all ugly termite ugly looking boy say a crowd Chevy them a look. How me I tell him that if it's a want him, that burn me. And time I tell him, say the girl look cloud, and she crosses. Him so long I feel like I want him. I'm here looking back or something. Is it for me see me call Jakes and Jakes talk to me calm? Me know. Say money, him have money issue. Me know him. Uno can't go and chat on the media. Me know him like my hand back. It's why I say I call Jakes. And Jakes not give me the attitude. Cause me I talk to him about somebody you them. This man and him call me. Me call him, sorry. Me say want to do something yesterday I go buy for Shanta. Him said to me, say, Junior no say, me never go buy yesterday but everybody lock up. Because today I'm sitting there at school. Chinese day. Today at Chinese day at school. Yeah, but me never know. You understand? But him say him did not go buy it. Him tell the people say I go buy it, you know. Him tell the people say I go buy it. Some say, she call me this man and I tell me about her father. Some say your father. So your father never call me and tell me say yesterday was Ray and Teddy. I'm there. No man I call me get it a jump. I'm there. Because bad too bad, me that send somebody go along a town, go grab one bandana suit for you right down a railway ground. It not take me nothing, but me never know. So she said my father said I go buy it. You want to call him and ask him the place lock up. So I said, Jackson, never have no money for buy it. You could have called me and tell me I go get the money and get me go buy it. Right now it cost $20,000. And I two of them, I buy it. You pay for one soup or $8 grand and some of that buy it and I use them. In the place them, they lock up the wallet. So I said, selling for the railway ground there, so. When me look, I'm on the story, you know. Call me this, when I call me, hear him now. Sassy and Chevy, I say, hello. I don't want you, but Sassy and Chevy, because you're not going to tape me. You're not going to tape me. You're not going to tape me. You not going to tape me. Me don't want you know but you told Saga them bands of mercy. You're not going to tape this. Me not call about that. Me call about your youth them. Me call about your youth them. And to the on TikTok, it will me must see. Me know why you tell me. For me and you have one discussion for your tape me. For me and my voice all over blood clot TikTok. I know you're evil with capital E and with the L. And me and them that me not hold them the conversation there with the community there. Me and I go hold them a conversation there. Me and I go hold them the conversation there because me ain't a blood clot there. And you them a call about. And if me didn't know, which me never did know, if me never know, say that the money, me never know. Because yesterday I come to my job and let my foot me that sleep. But take one ibuprofen and go and sleep, so me never know. Say that. But anyway, you say that got deal. Anyway, you say the place lock up. So as somebody said more and sitting. The Chevy thief 9,000 US. Somebody call my phone, you know. So look at the house cam, but I don't carry 9,000 gone. They feel like a black them lay, the 800 black lay, and the more black can buy a blood clot, 9,000 US. Me say, I don't know, but it was funny to me. Me nah say a karma, me don't know chat, me nah say a karma, but it was funny to me. No, for true, me have to laugh. Me nah say a good, me just have to laugh. Me nah say a good, and me nah say a karma, me just have to laugh. Me can't say that because I want him. I want Jakes. And when me want Jakes, I tell me, Jakes, when the people attack, I want him. And that wasn't the issue, and that wasn't the case. Because you beat me, you do the things that me I left, and you left me, and me I left you, because I'm tired of you. But anyway, when I talk about that, you come here, rank your money, you can't, me look upon Jakes and say, Jakes, you can't make nobody hungry that you angry your money. Chevy, them are hungry, girl. Them now work in England, our government mind them. She transaction, she can't send no bag of money, you know, because the government will cut down. A whole part things to it, chat. A whole heap of things to it. A government a mind you, a girl. I want government say with the whole part transaction in your name. Them go clap down for them welfare money where them a give you. How you not supposed to have them money in a position because we are mine you. Where these money are for. You're not in a business. I want Jakes. When me I want him, the all him mama class me. Told me I want him. When I want him, them and me, I was at the end of the trick. She don't give him $1. She will block him off her phone and don't give him cent. And me I said public because I want you. Me can't rub butter puss mouth. You literally rub butter puss mouth and I want you. And when me I want you, you make your family them class me. Your mama class me. Body for your class me. Your friend them class me. Oh, you're a foreign woman now. I'm a jealous. And I say, watch you. Alright. More your mama come out and rush out now. And you look a stinking friend them run out. And you look a classy people them run out. I would that. Then forget it here. I'm so pay him. Joe Marley. Everybody come class me. I want to come out and talk. I would just sit me. When I come out come talk, the wall on the dung palm, me look like say me are the worst. All the while I do it. When I come talk in my mouth, and me on the class. I'm going to take my beat, you know. I'm not tell you all this time, all of this shoe shall pass. I'm going to tell you no, all of this shoe shall pass. I get a whole heap of... Don't get the cream. So what the worst of money there? Tell me to get the change now. And here, half a cream.
You see what other cream?
Buy a buckle cream. Tell me to buy a small jar of buckle cream. This too shall pass, don't it? Oh. And she jealous over him, and the people in my inbox are come about. People that are like, boy, you should jealous over. She jealous over Jake. I mean, I say, what is wrong with these people? I'm jealous over Jake. I mean, I say, what? Yeah. You know what I do with Jake now, man? Yeah, my mother, all right. I'm jealous. I say, what? Yeah. And I choose have him in foreign woman. I'm say, okay, yeah, foreign woman. Then Jake the thing really thinks that Chevy want him. I say 9,000. But me have the transaction on my phone. 2,000, 1,500, me have them in my phone. Yeah. Then I say, then Jake think I want him. All of them jealous over the man and the man of him new foreign B and the man of him new foreign B and him and the girl Ray and Ray. I say blood clot. Then hear the teeth in girl now. Oh, I walk in a store, I look clock, see by come to Jake's all time money. I say, watch her style, yeah. I walk, I look, Clarks to buy what time owner money. What Chevy get money from for buy Clarks give you? Me have people in my blood come and my inbox come tell me say Rosalie, Chevy can't send for GX, no time. She live off a government assistant, a government own, she live in a me know England work. I hope a family me have live in England. Me know it work. A government nine she. So the money transaction, she for mine what she do because them clamp down panic our government mine her. She don't have the business I do. What you do with 7, 8, 9, 10,000 in a pound. I not work. They must clamp it down and say a scam in a certain activity. They must clamp it down. So just if I know say if you're gonna make somebody cash out your money, you can't send it all. If you make them do piece. For you send Chevy the 500 if you test Chevy with. And if Chevy can't send the 500, no send her no more. You never know that. Chevy could take my 9,000, you know. Cause if Chevy help me with my money, I'm gonna send her the first 1,000. And she can't send me the one, she can't send her the one I come give me. And a piece. Me I save the rest of money for my TikTok and my PayPal. I'm look and look a full ugly blood clap and them say, oh, if you make people hungry, they cash out your money. Yes, the Chevy them a hungry girl. But they make blood clot sassy. But they make sassy cash out for you. Because as bad as blood clot things be, me not like sassy cause she class me daily. But as bad as thing be, she don't look like a thief. That big woman look like she that cash out money and make him get it. The big woman, the long jaw woman. The ugly long jaw woman, she me attack. When name sassy, she not like me, not like her neither. She class me only for blood clot time. But me just attack the truth. You don't if you know people, you don't know Junal, you see them. You say Chevy look like Junal. Sassy don't give me, Sassy don't look like a thief. Sassy look like she that help him cash out the money and send it go give him. My dear, somebody tell him something. That fee business. We busy with him. Wife! I'm not sorry for him. Me nah look. When me younger, I want him, my granny make me know say all who can hear or feel. Me no busy with him. Me busy with him. No boy no girl no send me no dream. No boy no sell me no blood clot dream. You still don't wanna observe and watch, you don't know blood clot shit. Yeah. Because as bad as blood clot things be, me a few local moderator who would have beg them like a baby. 1 and 2 and say help him cash out the money. Yeah. But I said, alright then help him cash out the money. You gotta send the money to this, and then the person go cash up it, and then I'm gonna send it to Western Union, and when it come, it just go put in your account. Or make them send it to this, make them send it to your straight account. That's how I help him. All we do I help him. Kind of want you know. We say want help. And these are the things that I sit on the internet and I talked about. I sit on the net and I talked about. I'm gonna talk about this thing. I'm gonna class me 110% and do me up and talk all bag. I'm not one jakes. I don't want jakes. Me over jakes. Me left jakes a long time in my mind. I don't want jakes. What about them just come about the police something? And me I walk a search him because him they really see the people, man. Me don't know what I'm call me at him and what me I forgot see him to say it to him. But me no want jakes. Me don't want Jakes. Me and Jakes are dead. Me don't want him. Me don't want him. All when him there. All when I do live and there. Me know any him there. Ask Toto tell everybody when I talk to him on phone. All diamond know Jakes there in my yard and I know him there in my yard. But that's why I'm gonna try girl come fucking here. Cause me yard him there straight. All my talk about move apartment and move and about move an apartment. Me look for no. Foot a come on. I don't look for no. Because me know these things are gonna happen. And I look for myself and tell myself, say, when these things happen, I don't want just feel like same can come back, come hitchhike. Now put me in a reserve. So when I go there, you test the water and the water too cold, and you want to come back, come say, maybe mother, it no work. It's not gonna work like that. That's why I try to get him from around me. Out of my house entirely. Him can't come as a Chevy, I lie, I'm telling you. Him lie like sure. Because Jake sit down and tell me son of Chevy cash out him money. I can't trust Jakes in the chat. Because him lie bad. Lie bad. I know this day gonna come. And that's why I take him out of my space because when you go out there, go buck your toe. When you go out the road, go buck your toe. I say life, so rabble devil, you know, come back at me. Because I will never forget what you do. I'm never forget how your mama class me. I don't know. I might have to tell me, say, grandma cook. Mr. Shanta, I might have to don't even tell me about your family because me not like them. And the discussion is over. I should big enough to know what me I talk about. So when men are talk, no. Me just lay out the rules. I'm my child, may I speak to you. When I'm talking to you, don't tell me about your grandmother. Nobody will fear family. Your father said a family, them. You tell me about them. I do need alone me talk to. I don't want open side alone me deal with. I tell me about your granny. Don't tell me about your granny. Don't tell me about the one where they are Jamaican. Don't tell me about the one where they are foreign. Me don't want to hear about your family them. Me not like them. And the discussion close. And I sit down and chat my pitney with them, you know. Me I make sure know. Me and them are a friend. Me not like them, so we don't discuss them. I mean I call her a question or neither. And she tell me say her granny a cook. I'm say which one? I'm think of my mother come know. My mother love cook. So me go say Bumbo. Story I come to bump now. Rain or fall. What else time I come to Jamaica? I think of she. Time I come to Jamaica, granny a cook blood clot. Bolus rush active. She said no. Marcia, I say hello, come here. I'm reason with you. Tell me about them. I don't like them. None of them. I'm not going on a discussion with my 10-year-old child why I not like them. Because she a pitney. I make sure you know what she say. We don't talk about those people. We talk about me and you and other things and what you want. We don't discuss those people. No time at all. So, she shut up. Because me I lay out to you not come back in her mouth again. I don't want me to want jokes. Me I want jokes about shovel my teeth. Yeah. But what? You go for the bag. You fumble. Cause you look one up. You look one up. From me see one screen card. Me I scroll upon the FYP and see one screen card when him tell her say, change your name. And she laughed out like she not no sense. Lie me a blood clot tell. Me go over Facebook. I scroll upon Facebook. And see it over there. I say blood clot, watch ya. So me look on it over Facebook and I tell her change your name. So I say me go fast at the comment section. Go read. I see two girls over there clatter. I say then she said she get the memo say this man and I use her. If I see that screen card I see him face out I get cringe. I know something is wrong. But to him know say me tell him no want it look no way, cause him no want give me the flows when I say I told you so. Him no want give me no winnings, cause him know him tell him, but him come from here, I look one up. You can't do what me do, Jakes. Say me come, I can't do what you do and be a man. You can't do what me do and be a lady. Come in, when you come ask the money, I deal with hungry people with money. If you're too hungry, you can't do the money for me. If you're too hungry, me don't make hungry people will not even $5 for me. You're too hungry. You're borrow it and tell me, say, oh, me so get, but you're too hungry. I tell you already, you can't make hungry people deal with your money. Cause you don't know Chevy from nowhere. Chevy for blood clot though. I block you and deactivate our account. And lay low for social media for a long time till the 7,000 done. And when them come back and I answer about it, cause the story all gone. So them come back and I say, Steve Jake's money, I Chevy do a black and a pay no mine. Simple. Sell all the page. Start back fresh. Cause that she the blood clot when she thief people them care. She do it already when she thief the people them care. Deactivate her account. She deactivate her account. And when she come back on radar, she come back with a different account. That's something she do already. That's something what she do already. That is what she did already. When she thief the people them care and she reach back to England, she deactivate her account. When I search your name and I search by you not see it. And when she come back over Instagram, she never have that same account. They should sell it. Because Chevy does black Jake sell a page and lay low and go on your money. When 2 months, 3 months run off or 4 months run off, and she come back on radar, him can't win an argument with that car. What am I gonna do? Him gonna stay Jamaica like her by England? Or you make you make accent fool you. Eh? This is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about, yeah. This is what I'm talking about. He doesn't. The man wants to leave. Yeah, he wants to leave. Yeah, he wants to leave. Yeah, and she don't want. She's upset. She's cashing out. She's cashing out. Accent. Yeah. Yeah, I know. I have the accent. She don't want to leave. Yeah. She's upset. She's upset to the fact that he's trying to leave and she don't want him to leave. Accent get to you. Nah, look. Then Drake they make Chevy take the piss out of you. Blood clot. Why would the England be? And now look. Accent for accident. Bloody hell, yeah. She's trying to leave and she's crashing out. Me and him talk. I not catch a link of a top on your money. She can't come to Jamaica. A girl have, if she would have blood clot money, she want you should have fly a long time. A girl will have her blood clot money. And they are foreign. A girl will have her money. A girl will have money. Have papers in her foreign. And want a man. She fly a long time. When me a book ticket, they can book the ticket and fly upon it now. You can when me there Panama, I want to come on my yard. And the next day I book the ticket for come on my yard. Long as the flight is available. I should go up on the airline and check which flights are available to come to Jamaica soon and she reach. But you as a big blood clot 31-year-old boy with 5 job like make one suck cocky girl sell your dream. Are you talking about me a man? Who wants somebody? Who wants somebody? Who get used? Who get tricked? How from them say you follow me? You follow me up on my blood clad good boy, you know. Who get tricked? Who get used? Who get scam? Come and know me not cry for $1. The girl get a jet to holiday. Purchases online. You might not get back your cash. Any at all. I who get through cause you look one up on the net. And you see me with boy, but you come, you just come here, you know the rules. I say when I start internet, people are tricky and thief your money. Me get that already. Remember one day, Ashanta birthday when she was about 7 9 one girl named big bumper, thief $200 for me. I'm black me and thief my money. Pan cash up. So the internet, you have to learn, you can't trust people with their money. Cause them will take it, send it, and then the day when I'm get hungry, I don't get nothing more from them and I yearns. You know her from somewhere? All the ugly pussy clap boy have to do chat. I sit down and if the guy that cash out the money, peace, and save the rest of money. 100 or 120 you want to use. I bet they come ask me, I recommend it to somebody. I find somebody. Cause TikTok full of people, I can't find anybody to help you out. Cause I know somebody who know somebody. I know real people. What we not doing, not hungry. We are doing people have them things. So them not hungry for your local shilling. Cause $9,000 in a fine to some people are rubbish. Cause them shoot up more than that on the app, more than that. Cause check the badge them. $9,000 to some people are foolishness. That's rubbish. Cause them have them money. Them would rob you. Cause I know if me ask if a blood clot and Bella for cash out as wicked as you want to see me and Bella would help you. Could I ask somebody? Call it the paper I send to cash up and send it to him because we collect it and put in my account. Cause help you try help because I wanna want you back your so. I wanna want you crumble and fuck I have your yacht. So you all the fuck you talk about vision and you not see it. Okay, you come on the internet and look one up. I'm telling a life, you always want to look at one up half of my jokes. That's why me a Caan agree. That's why I don't want you, because you always want to look at one up. You always want to size up. You always want to do what me do. You can't get no one up yourself. Because you're a fool. I'm a one about stinking Chevy. Before I say screen a car out your teeth for 9,000. I want you like me in some competition. I want you. As my baby father come in a want you, as my blood clot man come in a day. Me no want you. And when me I want you, me say screen a card with people that honor that about oh, me jealous over you. I mean I say, oh, I'm jealous over this a blood clot man that me no want. When me die and forget through the whole long. Loneliness I take over my oh, you go on them. You left me wealthy and lonely. But Chevy left a broke and salt. You left me wealthy and lonely. Chevy left a broke and salt. Cause at least me have my money can go look upon it. But you earns there. Cause she not send about $1, so don't even argue. But I bet you argue because I talk eat her inside. She not send about $1. Because chat. But then at the yard the day, but I never know a she I talk to. Come here, chat. But then at the yard the day, but I never know a she I talk to. And I hear when I'm saying to the person say, out of the 400,000 send 150. So me I say, how would you trust Sophia $400,000 and I tell the girl to send 150? The person, how would that? Checks I idiot? So if you get me mad, come and look at idiot blood clot boy. Oh, how would that? How much time business? Come and say. What the fuck you feel like? What the fuck you feel like? Eh? I saw tracked. And when me reach back at the Airbnb, me hear him say the day when I come and me hear him I said it. Once you come there today, I Chevy me up on the phone with. So I say, oh, so I really Chevy I tell you out of the 400,000. So I really Chevy asked out of the 400,000. If you send 150 and keep 250, Chevy's a bank. Are you treasurer? Me dear. Chevy never said. So all along, that means all along, she collect. This a basket that whoever make you help him carry. No business with him. Chad power top. I don't even want to talk to blood class. I say because she class me. So out of the blood clot, only for pussy clot money. Hold on there. Out of the whole of the blood clot money. Hold on. So out of the whole of the blood clot money. Out of the whole of the pussy clot money. Out of the whole of the blood clot. Can shut my mouth. Power top strat. Tap his screen, me team. Mid here. And then me over there come talk about like she want class him and pick up for me. Chevy come suck out my hole. Come on, know you suck pussy. Come suck out that hole here. You can't take my side. Bitch, me not like if a man and night I come down. Any side, if I take a cruff ugly baby father side, me or take. No friend me up coming to like you. Tell you feel like say when me I got class, me or class him for you, me or class you for him. I want him tell you things. My liar to stand with him at some point. Only for the net. When you have a class him over here. I mean, I want him, you know, but me not gonna pick no side with you for him. Yeah. I said when digital footprint are run, more and my daughter see me angler girl for your father at all times. I when him want tell you my belly bottom. Say it big. I don't know why I want him. But Jake's gonna look somebody better who can help you. I say any cocky when me I take, have to be a boy who can help me at some point in my life. So and I feel clap so. It have to be a boy where wanna clap. Him not have to want me, you know. But for me say a boy show the interest, so I call him and say, come here, do this to me. And then will get up and do it. And that boy them here rep for straight, rep. Yeah, if I call the phone and say, babes, do this to me. And when you're tired, go do it. Yeah, go do it. Yeah. Never rep straight for him. And no boy to the dog, no boy. But anyway. Him know the rules. When I go down to that. Yeah, no boy to him, no boy. Him know the rules. Him know when me a clock tease, him know the rules. So when I talk about him, and Akim me for information, Akim me I talk about. Him know the rules. If I call him for and say Akim Ray, me got my soul do it. Him know the rules. You can't look no one up on me, serp on the net. You send for a bad or wrong or you pick. You pick a broke or broker than you. Coming out which pussy clad girl me for give my money will live on government welfare. Eh?